It is hard to imagine that the original Bugatti Veyron was produced at the Molsheim factory in Alsace, France, over 20 years ago. Though this makes sense, given that its production run spanned from 2005 to 2015. Recognized as the world's first hypercar, its extraordinary performance, massive powertrain, bold exterior design, comfortable interior, and impressive touring capabilities made it an instant favorite among ultra-wealthy automotive enthusiasts. The model is widely renowned, and despite its age, it continues to turn heads wherever it goes. Yet, the chances of spotting one on the open road remain slim. You might wonder why that is. First and foremost, the car seen here still commands a price in the millions of dollars on today's market. Consequently, most units are kept in climate-controlled garages alongside other luxury vehicles. Secondly, though it might not appear so, the Bugatti Veyron is an automotive unicorn, with a total production run of just 450 units, even as it remains a constant focal point of online attention. While Bugatti itself occasionally spotlights the Veyron, much of the attention comes from automotive enthusiasts. This is the context for the fully restored hypercar shown in these photos. It is a bespoke project recently unveiled and certified by La Maison Per Sang, a Bugatti division established to preserve, restore, refine, and if desired, reimagine Bugatti models to ensure their continued relevance today.